Hello, lovely people. It's Debbie here, back in the kitchen. I hope y'all are having a lovely day. It's Sunday, and I am making Sunday dinner. I'm making some snapper fillet with some shrimp, some rice and peas, and some sauteed green beans. But I'm gonna want you to focus on the snapper I'm making. I would love to be on my island right now, but y'all, it's a mess because I've been doing some shopping in and out today. So let me show you what I have here. I have about 4 or 5 pounds of snapper fillet here. I hope you can see well. In a brine here. What it is covered in water, and in the water I have some fresh thyme, a bunch of whole pimento, whole cloves, star anise, and Scotch bonnet pepper. That's all the brine is. When I cook snapper, I like to make a brine like that, whether it's the fillet or the whole fish, and it's been in this brine overnight. Now I'm going to remove my fillets and put them on this plate. So that I'm going to pat dry them with a clean paper towel so that I can get some dry seasoning onto them. I already have, I think, maybe 2 videos on here with my rice and peas. So the red beans is already cooked and seasoned up with the coconut milk and the thyme and the green onions and stuff. So I don't want you to focus too much on that. I just want you to focus on this amazing snapper that I'm going to make with top with the shrimp. Okay. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day, guys. I want to remind y'all that God loves you and He wants the best for you, and no matter what it seems like, no matter what you're going through, no matter how tough it seems, don't give in to the devil and his tricks. Don't give in to people and their foolishness. You just keep pushing through. God has a plan and a purpose for your life. Don't give up. You fall down, it's okay. The key is to not stay down there, okay? Keep pushing through. God's got you. And don't forget, talk to somebody. I don't care. Find somebody to talk to. Just don't stay down there. Don't give up. Don't give in to the hard times, okay? We all face them, I promise you. We all face those hard times. They come to make us stronger. They come to show us the true us, who we truly are, what we are truly made of. Okay? Don't give in. Don't give up. You keep seeking your Creator. And I know sometimes it seems like He's not there. He's there. He said He will never leave you nor forsake you. I am here to tell you, I am a living testimony. He's there. Alright, I'm going to move this mess out the way. And here are the fillets. I'm going to grab another plate. In the meantime, I have this pan over here. I don't even know if you can see it yet. Let me grab another plate. I have black pepper. I have Creole seasoning. I have paprika. I have Old Bay seasoning. I have garlic powder. And I have seafood seasoning, and I have salt. The seafood seasoning is new, so let me open it up. Okay. And I'm just just gonna sprinkle each of these top and bottom. I don't want this pan to get too hot. Okay, and I have grapeseed oil. Here's what I'm going to use. I'm just gonna coat the bottom. I also have a little more than a half a stick of butter. Okay guys, let me pause you for a bit. I'll be back, okay? So guys, I also have a pound of shrimp, wash, peel, devein. It's a large shrimp, and I'm gonna sprinkle, I also pat dry them. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of each of the same seasoning that I seasoned the fish with on the shrimp as well, okay? Okay guys, so our oil with the butter in it is all ready to go. What I'm gonna do is, yep, fillet in 2 pieces at a time, because I do not want this thing to get to cool down and mess up my fish. And I'm not frying them either. I'm just gently. And I think I need to move these and get you a glimpse of what's happening there a little better. So let's see. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna do these in batches. I'm just coating them. And also let me show you, earlier I cooked for this is fresh pumpkin. I'm going to put this in the blender with this large, can you see that? This is a fresh garlic. I'm going to need these later for the fish. I cook the pumpkin, peel it, cut it up. I'm going to blend this up with that one garlic. And I'm also going to add a half of Scotch bonnet with seeds in here. All this in one cooking. I'll let you know. Ooh, let's Scotch bonnet. Yeah, that's just about how I want that. Yay. Jay, when I'm done, I'm letting my baby relax. You know what I mean? Okay, guys, I will come back when all the fish are done and we're getting to the shrimp. Okay, so I'll see you soon. I think that Bailey is cute enough to be with them. Okay, guys, so the fish is done, so I'm gonna brown up my shrimp. Yes. Whatever, Ben and Bailey look good together. Are you kidding me? They are adorable. Okay, guys, if one of the concerns about cooking fish in your house is our fish make your house smell. So I'm putting on this pot on the back of the stove here with some water to boil. And what I'm going to put in that to help eliminate some of the fishy smell in the house, I've seen people just boil straight up white vinegar. I'm not particularly a fan of that. I like pretty cute smell. Jay don't say a word. So in that water, I'm going to put 2 sticks of cinnamon. And I have a lemon here because I need a couple slices of lemon for the fish. So I'm just going to put half of the lemon into the boiling water with the 2 sticks of cinnamon. And that is going to help to offset the fishy smell in your house. So whenever you're cooking fish, that helps to get rid of the fishy smell in the house and have your house smelling all nice and cinnamony and lemony. Jade, not a word. Again, I've seen people just boil distilled white vinegar. If you don't mind, you can also do that. Okay, guys, so let me get these shrimp out of here. And let's move on to the next step. Before I do that, guys, I'm going to pause for a minute and I will be right back, okay? Just a minute. Okay, guys, I have a medium onion here. I'm going to saute in this pan. Here's the pumpkin puree I made. Let me put the fish back in here. cup of water. You did, huh? Trying to give me a mess to clean up. But okay. I want to measure the how much of the pumpkin puree I'm gonna use. I have a 1/4 cup here. You're always laughing, and I don't know why you're laughing. You can't be around people and you're laughing and they're not sharing any joke with you. That's not cool. Oh, so that was a 1/4 cup. So that's a 1/2 cup.
Wait.
What? I'm probably just going to use all of it. It's 3/4 cup, but I want you to know how much it is. I'll let you know how much it is when I come back. Okay guys, that was a 1.5 cups of that pumpkin puree that went in here. Yeah. I also have some yellow, green, and bell peppers that I'm gonna put on here, slice. Okay, I think it's safe to say I may have not put the knife through them all the way, some of them. Okay. And as well as I seasoned, I need a little bit more flavor, so this is garlic powder. Creole seasoning. Old Bay. If you recall, the pumpkin puree was just itself with the fresh garlic. It had no flavor to it, so you know, at least no spices. I mean, I didn't even cook. So I didn't even add salt to it when I cooked it. And add a little of the fish seasoning. Yeah. And then the blender, I'm gonna add about just a pinch of water to rinse out that and then add it to it. Yeah. Then let me cover this and cook this for about 10 minutes. And I'll be back in 10 minutes. After I add a piece of thyme. fresh thyme. I'm also going to pound a green onion. Then let me get the lid on here. And then I will see you back in 10 minutes. Guys, I'm back. Check it out. It's been 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is to kindly add my shrimp back in. Okay. I don't want it too lemony because my kid will complain. So if anyone want any additional lemon, you know, while they're eating, I'll be happy to serve lemon on their trays. And shame on me, I got a lemon seed in here. So here we go. The shrimp only need maybe an additional 5 to 6 minutes. And they are good to go. Yes, sirree. My rice and peas is finished. I'm gonna have some sauteed green beans over here. This lemon and cinnamon is smelling so divine. I'm actually gonna add just a little bit more butter to this. You can't have enough butter. Yes, you can. It's a lie. I don't believe in that foolishness. I'm going to cook this an additional 5 minutes. Give the shrimp just another 5 minutes. That smells so good. Okay, I'm going to give a taste for. I just want to give a taste for. My God. People on the cooking channels and all that be talking about smell-o-vision. Yes, they need smell-o-vision, but y'all, they need taste-o-vision. They need all that, because, my God. Woo. This right here, my husband would say, babe, I sop that gravy up. This right here, he gonna say, I need a bowl of that right there. Oh my God. He gonna say, I need a bowl of that with some bread and I'm good. I ain't lying to y'all. Jeez. I have some more that, pumpkin in the fridge. I'm going to cut it up and put it in the freezer because I haven't decided yet. I'm sure with this rainy weather, I'm going to be making some soup of sort. I haven't quite decided yet. But my head is spinning all like, what else besides some soup? I don't know. I may have to go get some more, make sure I also have some pumpkin in my fridge. Because I need to find something to always do with that damn, to do with some pumpkin. Oh Lord. This thing right here. Ooh, and I think oh y'all, I have an idea. I wish I could tell y'all, but y'all gonna have to wait. I already have one idea, y'all gonna have to wait, but y'all, this is some good stuff. I'm gonna put up a plate for y'all. I'm not quite ready to eat. I'm getting ready to go see my friend Reese. I'm not ready to eat, but I got to let y'all see how I'm gonna plate this up. But y'all, I love y'all. Let me get close up to this baby right here. This is my pumpkin steamed snapper with shrimp. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. I love you all. Thanks for watching. God bless. Love you. Bye. No, not quite bye yet. I'm gonna plate up one for y'all. I'm gonna plate up one for y'all. Just a second. I'm gonna plate up one for y'all. See, because y'all so special, I had to go over there and get that nice crisp white plate. Because y'all my family, okay? So this is some red beans and rice. At first I was just going to make some plain white rice. But for some reason I changed my mind. Don't know why, but I did. I'm not going to be cooking tomorrow, but I'm going to be making, no, I don't know. My oven cleaning. And I want to do a DIY clean with the vinegar and the baking soda. I don't want to record it. Okay, green beans. I also have, what you call that? And you're gonna put the turn these off. Well, I'm gonna keep cooking the lemon and the cinnamon. That thing smells so divine. Gotta put some of these on here just for some color. Yeah. Absolutely. Guys, check it out. I think it would only be nice if I also taste it for you guys also, right? Because I know it's just lovely. Can y'all see that? Let me check that out, y'all. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. Check that out. Oh my God. Mmm. I can taste it. I tasted a piece of the fish. Guys, I can taste the earthiness of the remember I had it brining in the pimento and the cloves, and oh my God, you can taste that earthiness in there. Oh. Mmm. Guys, yes, you're gonna love it. Once again, from my family to yours, thank you so much for watching. God bless. You have a fantastic day. Bye.